Integration basically, if we, first of all, this is the sign of integration. Okay. This is the sign of integration. This is basically elongated S. Okay. Elongated S means S is for summation sign. Okay. So what is an integration? What is an integration? It is an operator. It is a machine. Okay. It is applied over a function. So we actually integrate a function. Okay. And we write dx. Now what is dx? Let me explain it to you. Suppose this is x-axis. This is y-axis. And suppose this is my curve fx. Okay. Now suppose this is the point A. This is the point B. And I try to look at the area bounded by this curve, x-axis. So this is the shaded region. Okay. Now, if I want to calculate the area, what I do, I divide this into rectangles. Okay. I divide this into rectangles. So the width of each rectangle is dx and this height is fx. So what is the area of this rectangle? Fx into dx. Now this is a continuous interval. A to B, we will have infinitely many points. So that is why we will not have summation sign. What we are going to do? We are doing integration from A to B of fx dx. What do we mean by that? We are, having these strips, then we are calculating the areas of these strips, and then we are going to add the areas of these strips. So basically, what do I mean by integration? A to B fx dx. It is nothing but area bounded by fx and x-axis between A and B. And this is known as a definite integral. Why it is known as a definite integral? Because I am calculating this integral from A to B. Okay. So we will start our class. If you want to write this down, I'll give you some time to write this down. So what is integration? Integral is an operator. This is operated on a function fx. What does it mean when I apply it from A to B? It means area under the curve fx bounded by the x-axis between A and B. Okay. All right. So we will be starting with the basics, basic formulae. Okay. Basic formulae of integration. Because CUET targets only basics. So I will write the function here and then I will write integration here. Okay. Now I will keep C as a constant. Okay. So whenever we integrate, we will get a constant. Let's see. When I'm going to integrate x raised to the power n, the integration will be x raised to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This is a constant. We will come to it. What do we mean by it? But we will add it to every answer. Okay. So now this is x raised to the power n, where n is a constant. Okay. First. Second, what is integration of e raised to the power x? E raised to the power x plus c. Third, a raised to the power x. A raised to the power x divided by log of a plus c. This log has base e. Okay. What is integration of sin x? Integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. 5. Integration of cos x is sin x plus c. 6. Integration of sec square x is tan x plus c. 7. Integration of sec x tan x is equal to sec x plus c. Integration of cosec x cot x is minus cosec x plus c. 9. Integration of cosec square x is minus cot x plus c. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are very important. These are directly asked in the examination. So we must know these. Okay. And I will explain you what you mean by the constant.